Supercharge Your Conversations. Mastering noun plus noun collocations in spoken English. Hello, language lovers. Today, we're delving into a fascinating part of English language learning: noun plus noun collocations. By understanding and using these, you'll be able to make your spoken English sound more fluent and natural. Collocations are words that frequently go together in a language, creating a specific meaning when combined. In our focus today, noun plus noun collocations, two nouns combine to form a commonly used phrase in English. Some examples include bread and butter, peace and quiet, and rock and roll. Let's explore some of the most common noun plus noun collocations. These phrases are widely used in everyday conversation, and knowing them will enhance your spoken English tremendously. 1. Fish and chips, a traditional British dish. 2. Salt and pepper, common condiments on a dining table. 3. Fruits and vegetables, categories of healthy foods. 4. Trial and error, a method of problem solving by testing various methods until the correct one is found. 5. Supply and demand, an economic concept representing the relationship between the quantity of a commodity that producers wish to sell and the quantity that consumers wish to buy. Now that we've learned some common examples, let's put them into sentences. 1. I'm starving. I could really go for some fish and chips right now. 2. Could you pass the salt and pepper, please? 3. Eating fruits and vegetables is essential for a balanced diet. 4. Finding the right solution requires a bit of trial and error. 5. The prices of goods are often determined by supply and demand. It's important to use these collocations in your everyday conversations to make them a natural part of your vocabulary. Try to form sentences using these phrases, and if you're feeling adventurous, look for more examples of noun plus noun collocations. There you have it. You're now equipped with a handful of noun plus noun collocations to spice up your spoken English. Remember, the key to fluency is practice, so make sure to incorporate these phrases into your conversations. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll soon sound more like a native English speaker. Until next time, happy learning!